You can go to fonts.google.com to find free fonts you want to download. And let's say you want to download this one, click on the plus sign. You go down here and then you click on the download button. Make sure you download it somewhere you can remember. Then you open the file and you're gonna go ahead and double click on each .ttf file and it'll show this pop-up that says install font in your computer. You install it, close out the window, then when you go to Illustrator, the font's gonna be available. See right here? I didn't have it available before, but now I do, and so will be in Sketch, because these softwares, they read the fonts that you have in your computer and add them automatically to their list. And that's it. Just go to fonts.google.com, find the font you want, or I have another link for free fonts that you can download. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.